This dumpster is full of cinder block. I don't even know if my truck's gonna lift this, but let's find out. We just demoed this entire 40 by 16 garage in one day. I'm picking this dumpster up, I'm headed straight to the dump. So with a heavy load like this, I actually put the truck in reverse and winched the truck underneath the dumpster instead of trying to pull all that weight onto the trailer. Got this dumpster full of cinder block from a garage demo. Watch how it's done. Hooray! Got 2 more block dumpsters to empty and 1 with the roof and trusses.